Hi, I'm Doug Acker, product manager with the all-new Forest River Impression. Here doing a walkthrough today on the 270 RK. One of the first things that you'll notice, you're not walking straight into anything. You walk in this floor plan. You've got the opposing sides here to give you that big open space. Second thing you'll notice on this floor plan, very light interior. A lot of these other campers are browns and dark. We wanted to really lighten it up when you come in here. Also at this rear kitchen, tons of counter space, big island here, drawers on the back side, stainless steel sink, pull down faucet, more counter space on each side of this range and here on the back wall. Moving over here to the 11 cubic 12 volt refrigerator, tons of space. This runs off the battery. You don't need gas electric. Here in the back, we do have a pantry, chalkboard here, nice and fun for the family. Tons of storage in here, big storage bins as well. Makes it easy to take things in and out. Over here in the slide out, we've got the freestanding dinette. On this side, we've got a bench slash ottoman, has multiple uses. Tons of storage in there as well. Over here, also in this slide out, we've got a theater seat. Both of those recline. And over here, we have the trifold sofa. Here, you'll have your Furrion entertainment package, 50-inch Furrion TV, Furrion soundbar, and the Furrion fireplace. This also comes with the Unismart remote, which will control all three of those features. Floating steps here, when you're walking up to this upper deck. You've got your air conditioner, 15,000 BTU standard on every single unit. Here in the bathroom, medicine cabinet over the sink, walk-in shower with the skylight in there. And we also have a porcelain toilet that's gonna be nice and sturdy and easy to clean. Here in the bedroom of the 270 RK, first thing you'll notice, big windshield there. Gives you a great look, especially if you're parked out at a beach, gives you a nice look over that scenery. 60 by 80 bed, true queen, where your feet aren't gonna be dangling off for anyone who might be a little taller. Here in the wardrobe, we do have two hanging storage pieces, so you can fold your clothes, or you can take this off easily and hang any clothes. Every single floor plan will have this wardrobe slash washer dryer prep. We do have shelves in here, a hanging rack for hanging clothes, but also the big thing, you can put a stackable washer and dryer in here. So now that we're finished on the interior of the brand new Impression, we're on the exterior where we are going to go over all the great features that we have out here, starting with the windshield. Automotive glass is going to let in a lot of light and give you that view of the campsite that you're looking for. Here we have our docking station, which is enclosed here in the pass-through. One big feature here is the SureFlow water pressure regulator for your city water connect. Now what this does is when you have pressure at the campground of over 65 PSI, it'll automatically take that down to 65 PSI to make sure you're not blowing out any of your lines from that city water pressure. Here in your pass-through, big thick insulated door. Also, this is a slam latch door. Slam it shut. Here, also in your pass-through, you do have a battery disconnect. It makes it very simple to go ahead and turn everything off in that camper, make sure nothing's draining that battery. Also, underneath here, you'll notice the aluminum frame. We do have a Lumistructure, where we do have laminated floor, front, roof, sidewalls, and the slide outs are all laminated. So here on the Impression, we also have the extended season package. And what that's gonna be is that's gonna be upgraded insulation there in your roof. In your floor, we also have a heat duct running to that underbelly as well, along with 12 volt heat pads for each one of those tanks to make sure that nothing is freezing down there. Here in your underbelly, we use the Accessibility. And what that does is it comes in panels, so when you need to do any work on that coach underneath, you can easily drop one of those panels, do anything that needs to be done. So a standard feature on the Impression is Goodyear Tires. Every one of our units will have the Goodyear Tires. These Goodyear Tires do come with a 1-year, no questions asked warranty, where if something happens in 364 days, that tire can be replaced. Thank you for joining me today on the walkthrough of the Forest River Impression 270 RK. If you have any questions, please visit forestriverinc.com/impression.